Hey, how are you today? I am so glad we are in the closet today. Yes, we are. Um, we've been doing this series and we're going to continue of beating the stress for the holidays. Well, look at this mess. Is that not chaotic? I mean, who needs to come in and all the time going, I need to clean that. I need to clean that. I need to sort that. And I will tell you, I have 100 times, but with big bulky items, they just flop out. Let me get a little closer. They just flop out. And I will say, everything in my closet here, it is organized. It is organized. But it's just scattered because of the bulk of everything that's here. So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to clean this up. And I bought some baskets from Amazon and we're going to see how they work. So stay tuned for another episode of Weezy. So, like I told you, I bought some baskets. I bought these baskets in Amazon. They have a nice little rope to them. I will tell you, there is some assembly required. So there's like a hard bottom, so that's nice and sturdy. And they just flip together and you easily tie the knots into the baskets. This is the larger basket I got. Um, and then I have these smaller baskets. So let's see how they're all going to work together in making our closet look better. Let's get started. So we're going to start at the top here and we're just going to start pulling this stuff down. And we're going to see what we're going to keep and what might go away. So I have things in here that this is an old sweater. I do like to wear it. I do I do wear it. Look, it's wrong side out. I don't even have my clothes. I just I'm getting better about this, but do you make sure that all your clothes are put away? They're the right side out and all of that. I'm going to say when I do laundry, it's not my favorite thing to do, but I do need to learn how to fold better. And I so here's one of the deeper um, baskets, and if it's in there quite nicely for the closet. So I'm going to put my sweaters in here. So you might want to take them and for space sake, go ahead. Let's take this sweater. It's pretty bulky. So we want to take it and fold it. Maybe take it and fold it. Maybe give it a little roll. It's not going to be, mine's not going to be really neat, but take it and go ahead and let's roll it right there into the basket. I'll be back when I have the whole system set up. So here's one of the deeper um, baskets, and if it's in there quite nicely for the closet. So I'm going to put my sweaters in here. So you might want to take them and for space sake, go ahead. Let's take this sweater. It's pretty bulky. So we want to take it and fold it. Maybe take it and fold it. Maybe give it a little roll. It's not going to be, mine's not going to be really neat, but take it and go ahead and let's roll it right there into the basket. I'll be back when I have the whole system set up. I am getting better of turning them right side out. Here's another old sweater. I'll be honest, I keep sweaters forever. I know this one fits and I do wear it. I do wear that. So that's going to be a keeper. And I love this sweater. This is a great in between season. So like right now, it's like the 50s and 60s during the day a lot. So I will probably keep this sweater. Let me see. There we go. I'll pop so yeah, I'll probably keep this sweater. So anyways, you get the idea. I'm going to clean this out now. And then I'll come back when we're ready to start putting things into the baskets. Will be one basket per shelf, and then some of them, like when I get down to my leggings and shorts, there'll be two baskets per shelves. So make sure that you measure your width and your height, and also go all the way to the back to measure the depth when you are ordering the baskets. So let's see how they work. So here we are with the box. Um, and we're going to go ahead. I've already got uh, one of my fleeces in there. These fleeces do take a lot of room, but I have um, one more fleece that I'm going to be putting in there. And I fold it, and then I take it and I roll it as tight as I can do it. But you know, if you roll your clothes, it actually creates more space than just regular folding. But then I have some thin sweaters here, and I can fold that. That will go into a nice little tight ball. I don't wear this sweater very often, so it can go to the bottom. And you might want to be mindful of that. You know, how often are you going to wear these clothes of what goes on the bottom and what goes on top if you have to do multiple layers? So these other sweaters are pretty much ready to, they're folded so they're easy to roll and go into the deep basket. So that's all my sweaters that I'm going to be putting in here. The other big box will be used for jeans. Once again, just take them, and these will roll really nice. Okay, we're back. It didn't take me any time at all. I really just kind of like pulled everything off of the shelving unit, and it's scattered here on the floor. So as you can see, I've put all my sweaters in one of these larger baskets. And in one of the smaller baskets, I've put leggings, because then that way I know where all my leggings are, and I can just go ahead and put that right there into the shelving unit. So I'm going to finish this up, and let's come back later and see how it all works out. Look at the difference that made. Yeah, you're still going to see a little bit of the clothes from the opening, but that's okay because then you can easily identify what you have. But it makes for a nice, much cleaner, sleeker system. I think I need to work a little bit over here for my next project. What do you think? And there's my discards. Those will be going to Goodwill. So I hope you found that helpful to see how easy this was. There is some investment into the baskets, but for me, I think it was well worth it, because for me to come in and not look at that mess and chaos every day, It just makes me feel better. And if you feel better, you stress less. And that's what it's all about. Let's take a little chunk at a time. To do this whole closet would be very overwhelming. But I'll just take sections. And so I probably won't touch those other shelves for a few more months. Buy some more buy some more organizing baskets. You could take even these shelves, start cleaning them up without the baskets, but then when you have an extra $20 or $30 in your budget, you can go ahead and get these storage units. They come in three. They come in three, and I got mine through Amazon. And remember to measure so that you don't have to send them back. So those were the key takeaways. The three key takeaways is measure, go ahead, take everything out, sort, have three piles. Have your keep, give away, and throw away. And I did have a few pieces that I threw away, but I'm pretty good at purging. If something isn't, it's just used its life, I'm pretty good at getting rid of that stuff. Then, when you measure, go ahead and order a system that you like or find one at the store. Um, and then just take little pieces of a closet at a time. You can make a game of it. Set a timer. See how much you can get done when you have a spare 20 minutes. Set a timer. See what you can get done. Purge. Put it clean. Put it back. And you will feel good of 20 minutes that you've used to clean a little bit of a section of a closet. So I hope you have a great day. Let me know down in the comments of what you found most helpful about this video. And remember to go ahead and, if you're not, subscribe to Weezy here on YouTube and my other channels. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.